Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. Today, till last episode, we have learned pre-math concept like open, close, up, down, tall, taller, like this. But today, we are going to learn little bit different concept. Okay? So, that is the same like pre-math concept only, and it is pre-math concept only. So, today we are going to learn big, bigger, biggest. What we are going to learn? Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest means, big means itna, bigger means itna, और biggest means itna. Okay? छोटा, छोटे से थोड़ा बड़ा को bigger, और उससे भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा उसको biggest बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? Biggest. जो सबसे छोटा रहता है मीन्स जो अपने पास चीज़ें रहती है उसको जब हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं तो हम तब बोल सकते हैं बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. नाउ आई विल शो यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. यस, सो फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू बिग, देन आफ्टर दैट बिगर, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट बिगेस्ट. ओके, सो नाउ सी that in my hand I will show you ball. How it is? Big. Yes? Why I am saying big? Because I am going to explain you the concept of big, bigger, biggest. So I am having 3 balls in different sizes. In that this ball is big. Okay? This ball is big. So can you see this ball? Yes, it is so nice, colorful. Yes. And now the another I am showing you ball that we have to say bigger. See this bigger. Why we are seeing this bigger? Because this ball is bigger than this. So this is big ball, this is bigger ball. Now got it? This is big ball and this is bigger ball. In this both we are going to learn first big and bigger. This is big and this is bigger. Now biggest. How you will understand which is the biggest? Now I will show you the biggest ball. This is big, this is bigger. And now this is biggest. For this ball we say biggest. So I will show you here keeping the size and why we say that big, bigger, biggest. See now. Can you see here 3 balls? 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is the big ball. This is the bigger ball and this is the biggest ball. हमने इनको big, bigger, biggest क्यों बोला है? मेरे पास ये पहला बॉल था, इसको मैंने big बोला. इससे भी बड़ा है ये, इसलिए bigger बोला. इससे भी ये बॉल बड़ा है, इसलिए biggest बोला. Okay? Why I am saying you that this is big, this is bigger and this is biggest? Because the ball which is having this ball which is having with me, this ball is big and this ball is bigger than this. So we say this bigger, and this ball is bigger than this. So we say biggest. Okay? Got it? Big, bigger, biggest. What we have to say? Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Now have you understood how what big, bigger, biggest? Yes. So once again I will show one more thing. Yes. Now see, I am showing you the bag. Yes. This bag is big. Another bag I am going to show you, this one. Yes. Got it? This is big, this is bigger. This is big, this is bigger. So now I will show you the biggest. So see properly. This is bag, we must say big. Then afterwards this is bigger and this is biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Got it? The things which are we have with us, in that we have to compare big, bigger and biggest. If got it? जो छोटा है और दूसरी चीज़ है अपने पास उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है तो उसको बिगर बोलते हैं, और सेकंड चीज़ से भी थर्ड चीज़ अपने पास जो बड़ी है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बिगेस्ट. ओके, सो नाउ we will see this example in our book. Yes? So open your skill book. Yes? Everybody will open your skill book. So have you opened this page number 15? Yes. So see here 1515, page number 1515. We will read the heading BIG big, BIGGER bigger, BIGGEST biggest, big, bigger, biggest. So in today we are going to learn here now big, bigger, biggest. So can you see here pictures of balls? Yes, just now in practical I shown you the balls, big, bigger and biggest. And after that we saw example of bags also, big, small bag, sorry, big bag, bigger bag and biggest bag. So like this only now we will see here. This ball is big, B-I-G, big. So you have to read the spellings also, so you will get the practice to read the spellings. B-I-G, big, B-I-G, big, G-E-R, bigger, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, guest, biggest. So see, what you can see in this picture here, they have shown us 3 balls, 1, 2 and 3. The colors of the balls are also different. When I was showing you practically, there also the color of the ball was different. So here see, white ball is big. See in the size. We have to see in size. It is big. And here, more than this ball, this is little bit big. So we have to say bigger. And here in the third picture, see, more than this ball is biggest in size. So we have to say biggest. See the size of the pictures, ball. This ball is this much, but the another ball is little bit big, and the third ball is biggest. So when we see the small, this size, that's this size and this size, we can understand properly that the images which we are get it, that is big, bigger and biggest. So now got it? Everybody got that? What is the difference between big, bigger and biggest? Yes, छोटा उससे थोड़ा बड़े को bigger और उससे थोड़ा बड़े को biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. Now we will see here what they have told us to do. DRAW, draw a BIGGER, bigger, FISH, fish, AND and COLOUR, color. So what they have told us? That they have told us draw a bigger fish and color. So here see how the fish is there. So they have drawn here small fish. Now they have told us to draw BIGGER, bigger. So in this picture, where we can read the spelling bigger or where we can see the picture of bigger? This? No. BIGGER, bigger. So now see, we have to draw here fish, little bit big, then this, then we can say that fish as bigger. So everybody know how to draw the fish? Okay, some knows and some don't know. Okay, teacher will draw slowly and she will explain how to draw. You have to draw in your book. Now you have to draw. So first like this you will draw, like this. Okay, you will draw halves like this and like this. And then like this. Then like this. Okay. See. Then afterwards you have to draw your wings. Then here downside wings. Then here eyes. And then here like this. Okay. So in this way you have to draw fish. Okay. Who can't draw like this? one more different one I will show you. Okay. See, first you draw V, then like this half circle, then this and like this. Then draw like this, eyes. So the first one which we draw, that fish was also correct and this is also correct. Some can draw like that, some are asking me to give different fish, so I drawn different fish. Okay. Yeah, you can draw how you can, you can draw. Okay. So now see, more than this we have drawn bigger fish. Okay. So you see, this is big and this is bigger. Now next, DRAW, draw a BIGGER, bigger, BALL, ball, and color. What they have told us here now, draw a bigger ball and color. So here in the box we have to draw the ball that is bigger one. See, this is big one and now here like this bigger one we have to draw. Okay. After drawing like this, you can draw like this. Okay. Here they have told us to color the picture, color the ball. So I will color here first red. The color which you like, you can give that color. See, like this I have drawn the ball, you also have to draw the ball and color it. So just now we drawn here bigger one. Which ball? Bigger ball, and we have color. Okay. Yes, I will wait for a minute. You just draw and color it. Finish everybody. Open now next page, that is page number 16. 16. Color page number 16. So here see, COLOUR, color the BIGGEST, biggest star blue. So they have given here 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. They are given here 1, 2 and 3 star. Now we have to color that star in blue color. But which color they have, which star they have told us? Biggest. So this is the biggest one. So you have to color this star with blue color. Yes? Let me see that you know blue color. Yes, very good. Correct crayon. Color it. I will wait for 1 minute. You color that picture. This picture you have to color with blue. Okay. This picture you have to color with blue. Now next, you color it. Okay. CIRCLE, circle. THE, the. BIGGEST, biggest. DUCK, duck. Circle the biggest duck. Okay. Now we can see a different types of duck. In that duck, we have to circle the biggest duck. So which is the biggest one? This? No. This? No. Then see, this is more than this, little bit big, so this is bigger, and this biggest. So we have to circle this biggest. Got it everybody? Okay. So today we have learned the concept of big, bigger, biggest. We have seen the practically images also of ball, bag, okay, and after that we have completed our exercise. Okay. Thank you.